4 things to do when you have downtime at work. If you find yourself not too busy and with not much to do at work, here are a few things you might want to consider to ensure you're making the most of your downtime, besides going on BlogTO. 1. Get ahead. Check your calendar for the following week to see if there's anything you can work on to get ahead of schedule. 2. Show initiative. Connect and communicate with your peers to identify if they need any assistance. Most likely, they'll give you something to do. This can be a great opportunity for you to learn about other parts of the organization or gain some new skills. Depending on the workplace and supervisor's leadership style, no one is going to micromanage you, so it's up to you to find tasks to work on. 3. Read relevant articles. These can be on leadership, networking, team building, anything that you'd like to know more about. Take some time to understand the latest research or trends happening in your field of interest. 4. Chat with your supervisor. If you constantly feel like you don't have enough work, talk with your direct supervisor about long-term tasks or projects that will make better use of your time, as well as opportunities to shadow others. This will show initiative and a drive that you are there to learn, which will leave a positive impression to those around you. Keep in mind, due to liability reasons and/or organizational policies, there may be certain tasks that supervisors cannot let you do. For more information, further tips and tricks, or how to make the most out of your placement or internship, visit us at the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend one of our many workshops or even make a one-to-one appointment with our consultants.